Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Limited resources create one huge idea. You cannot have everything, so this question is really asking what scarcity forces people and societies to do fast. First, recognize what limited resources means. Land, labor, time, and money are not unlimited, so scarcity exists. And whenever scarcity exists, people cannot produce or consume every single thing. Next, compare wants with available resources. Human wants keep going, but resources stay limited, so something has to be given up, which means choices and trade-offs become unavoidable. That eliminates A, C, and D, and B is too absolute, because scarcity does not guarantee always increasing opportunity costs. It guarantees societies must choose. Well done! Scan now. Trap, rushing into extreme choices. Rule, trust the given idea, scarcity, and check the steps until choice E clearly fits.